Vinaka, Ram Ram, hello, howdy, good day, Kia ora, how you guys doing today? A little cloudy here in Fiji, but today we're in Martintar, which is in the greater Nadi area, right near Namaka. Some great shopping, nice butcher shop actually right over here too. And we're close to 𝙆𝙯𝙁𝙀𝙀 Island, the international airport. In fact, I just heard one of the big planes coming in here. And we have a brand new, nice, unfurnished rental property, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And this has just been rehabbed. You have the aircon, the recessed lighting, the ceiling fans. Look at those cool pendant lights. How about that? Double undermount stainless steel sink, 4 gas burner stove top with the vent hood, upper and lowers. Look at all those cabinets. Woo. Hope you don't have that much stuff. Come on now. All right, got some benches over here. Get the family, get the kids, get the friends all over there. Downstairs you have a nice big laundry sink here, toilet area, more upper and lower cabinets, a nice real estate agent, and beautiful mirror. Look at that nice piece there. Gorgeous. Very cool little... That's really cool. All right. I always love checking these places out. So not only do you have the ceiling fans, recessed light, air cons, pendant lights, but you have your own private patio back here. And you can do some nice barbecuing and stuff like that. So it's fenced all the way around. You have a nice new cinder block fence. Ooh, maybe if you stretch far enough, you can get yourself a mango tree over there. How about that? Woohoo! Get some mangoes. All right, I'm going to walk around and take you upstairs. 3-bed, 2.5 bath. There's some solar security lights, backup switchover generator, air cons throughout, some nice custom blinds you saw downstairs. Beautiful wood stairs, by the way, too. Look at that. You have an electric gate and some nice car parking here. And then upstairs you have these bedrooms. I'm going to show you here. We have a common area. Look at that cool mirror. Even cooler guy right there. All right. Well, hopefully that won't scare you off, and don't worry, I won't raise the price on you. There's a nice shower enclosure. They did a lot of cool stuff here with the walls. I love it. Very first time I've seen that stuff. All right, so there you have 1 bedroom over here. Ceiling fans, air cons, they're the lights. Nice privacy louvers over there on that side. And the same here, they did some really cool stuff on the walls here. Love it what they did here. Very nice. Nice glass shower enclosure going on there. And a great sink. More of that cool stuff on the walls. There he is again. Hey, Bula. There's some wardrobes. You have your aircon, ceiling fans over here. And then you have this, whoever gets this bedroom is going to have the nice private covered patio. And just out there, you can see that's the road bloop, right over there. That'll take you out to the airport and over into 𝙆𝙯𝙁𝙀𝙀. And then so you have a bedroom that I just came in from, bedroom off the left. Then you have the nice shared washroom and then bedroom over here. So how cool is that? All right, well, if you want to find out more about the pricing and the availability, go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. Again, +679 999 2051, or on WhatsApp at +1 480 444 6688. We'll get you all the details. This is really nice space. So if you have your own furnishings, this would be a good one for you, and very conveniently located, especially if you're a pilot or an expat coming to Fiji and you want to be close to all the action in the greater Nadi area. You can just picture yourself putting some nice patio furniture out here and a nice barbecue, and you'll be all set. You can hang your laundry right over there. Okay. All right, everybody, listen, have an amazing day. We're so busy here. Things are happening, and you need to get over here to Fiji and enjoy it too, and this could be your new rental property. All right, have a great day. Keep smiling, and we'll see you here soon. All right, Vinaka.